It can happen. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make this very beautiful Christmas backdrop. It is very easy, very simple, and all you need for this is crepe paper and few balloons. You can use this as a Christmas decoration, as a Christmas backdrop, a photo corner, a room decor, classroom decoration, or anything else. In case you're new to this channel is all about party decorations, holiday decorations, and all kinds of other DIYs. So if you haven't subscribed yet, click on that red subscribe button right now so you don't lose my channel and you stay updated on all my future uploads. For this decoration we will be needing 3 different colors of crepe paper. I'm going to use green, red and white. What we will also be needing is 3 red color balloons. I took 26 centimeters balloons. The first thing that we'll be doing is inflate our balloon. So we'll take a balloon pump for that. We'll put our balloon around the balloon pump and we'll inflate it. And then we'll tie a knot. Like this, we're going to inflate all the other balloons that we have. Next, we're going to take our 3 colors crepe paper that we had, the green, the red and the white color. The crepe paper that I'm using here is 45 centimeters by 2 meters. And I'll take 2 pieces of the crepe paper, 2 pieces of 60 by 45 centimeters. I have here 2 pieces of crepe paper. Each piece is 60 by 45 centimeters. We'll hold the 2 crepe paper pieces together, and lengthwise we will make a fold in the middle. We'll fold it over lengthwise at half. Now on the side that we have the fold, on that side we will make a very small cut. Like this. Next, from this point that we have here, we'll cut out a small piece like this. This was our first cut. This is the second cut. Now we'll make another cut like this. And our last cut will be from here to this corner, like this. So once again, this was our crepe paper. We made one cut like this, one like this, one more like this, and the end part like that. That's what we did with the green color crepe paper. Now we will take the green, red and cream color crepe paper, and on those crepe papers we will mark it on 4 centimeters. We will cut it out. The crepe paper that we'll be using will be 4 centimeters in width and 1 meter in length. We will take the green piece crepe paper that we made. We have 2 pieces here because we folded the paper in double. So we'll take 1 piece. We are going to open it up, and on the back side we'll take double-sided tape and we'll put it on the back side, and we will paste it on our backdrop. On each curve that we have here on the back side we'll put double-sided tape, and that will be more than enough to secure this on the wall. Next we'll take our balloon and double-sided tape. It can happen. We'll take our double-sided tape and put it on the balloon and paste our balloon like this. We will hang 1 green color string of crepe paper here. We are going to hang a red string like this. We are going to hang the white string next to the red. Note that in this decoration I'll be starting from the middle on the bottom side with the crepe paper. I'm starting with green, then I have red, white, green, red, white, green, red, white. The same way I'm going to continue this side. I'm not going to put the white color here, I'm going to put the red color here. And at the end, on the 2 corners, I'll be hanging 1 more red crepe paper. Next we are going to take our crepe papers that we have here. We are going to turn this for the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times. And we'll paste it on the bottom. And that's what we'll be doing with each color. Turn them for 6 times for the left side and paste them on the bottom side. Let me know in the comment section below how you did like this DIY. If you did like this DIY, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and please don't leave this channel without subscribing. Do check out my other videos, and I'm sure you'll find amazing party decoration ideas to make your occasion special.